Hi guys, welcome back to PowerUp with Kaynee. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious 3-minute bread. The possibilities with this bread are endless because you can easily toast it either in your toaster oven or in a skillet on the stove, and you can use it to put scrambled eggs on in the morning. You can use it to make a regular chicken turkey sandwich. You can use it to put cream cheese on top and put either strawberries or raspberries on top of that cream cheese. It is just delicious, and all of the ingredients go into one bowl. I'm using this Pyrex square container. It is 5.5 by 5.5, and I would say about 2 inches tall. The first ingredient you're going to need is 2/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese. This is shredded mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to throw that in there. Then you're going to need 2 teaspoons of unsweet almond milk. I'm going to throw that in there as well. This is so easy because all of your ingredients go into this one container. Then you're also going to need 1/2 cup of almond flour. Then you're going to need 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. And lastly, you will need 1 egg. Now that all my ingredients are in my dish, I'm going to mix them super well with a spatula. You want to make sure that all of your wet ingredients and your dry ingredients are very well mixed in with the mozzarella cheese. You'll know you've mixed it well when you can see the yellow of the egg yolk evenly distributed within the mixture. Once everything is very well mixed together, then you want to make sure that you clean the walls of your dish and pat everything down so all of the mixture is even down at the bottom. In other words, you don't want any holes in your mixture, and you want to make sure that you don't have any spots that are more shallow than other spots. It all must be the same depth. If you're using the same size of a square dish as I am, 5.5 by 5.5, when you pat your mixture down, it should be about 1/2 inch in depth, and it should look just like this. Now I'm going to cook it in the microwave for 3 minutes. When I put it in there, I'm going to cover it with my microwave dish. If you would rather bake it in the oven, you can do that. You can bake it in the oven at 425 for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the width of your dish. You're looking for this mixture, if you're cooking it in the oven, to be golden brown on the outside, on the rim, and also golden brown in the middle. Then you'll know it's completely ready. But I'm going to put mine in the microwave for 3 minutes. I just took my bread out of the microwave and it smells amazing. It smells like the cheese breadsticks that we used to get at pizza places before we were on keto. It smells great, guys. And this is what it looks like. So let me touch it so you can see the texture. Super fluffy and bouncy. And I actually tried both. I tried the oven and the microwave. And the microwave, the texture turns out lots better for some reason. You can cook it in the oven, but my experience is that the microwave works even better for this type bread. The next thing I'm going to do is take this knife and I'm going to run it along the sides to be sure that the sides are not stuck to the sides of my baking dish. I'm going to show you a hack to ensure that the bottom of your bread is completely unstuck from the bottom of your dish. So take your spatula, put it between your bread and the side walls of your dish, and then just start moving it toward the center. If your bread was adhered to the bottom, now it is not adhered anymore and it will come out super easily. I'm doing this with my spatula. I'm just moving all of my bread toward the center, and that unsticks it from the bottom of the dish. Now that I know that it's going to come out beautifully and easily, I'm going to flip it over on this plate so you can see this beautiful texture. That came out so easily. As you can tell, this bread is the perfect depth to get 2 slices. This bread has now been out of my microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and you'll notice it'll start firming up, and that is why it's so perfect for toasting and perfect for really anything you want to use it for. It is not flimsy. It is fluffy, but not flimsy. All right, guys, look at this texture. I'm going to give it a taste test, but first I'm going to split this in half so you can see the texture of this bread. Oh my word. It is delicious and the texture is amazing. Let me give this a taste. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. That mozzarella cheese makes all the difference in the world. It tastes cheesy, it tastes buttery. It's amazing. And again, you can now put it in the skillet and toast it, or you can toast it in a regular toaster or a toaster oven. It toasts extremely well. All right, my PowerUp friends, that's it for this video. For more healthy, low-carb recipes, grocery hauls, where you get to shop with me and I show you how to read ingredients to become a healthier you, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, and don't forget to share my channel and this video with loved ones who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.